Here is why you need to bring wrist weights to the office, because you can work your arms and sculpt them anytime, anywhere. You ready?
Takes some confidence, but here we are.
Well, if you're in like a room by yourself, maybe a conference room,
and
we're gonna start with serving the platter.
Not all of us can be as confident as you, but one day, maybe.
It's called fake it till you make it, honestly.
Oh, hey Bruce, sorry, no, I'm just doing my arm workout. Ignore me.
Awesome, this is wonderful for that rotator cuff and also the shoulders. We have 4, 3, 2, we're gonna hold at the top and pulse, a little tiny pulse just like that.
Oh, wow.
Honestly, I love my wrist and ankle weights to bring them anywhere because they're so small, but they add so much of a burn.
So mighty.
And I know I'm like crossing my legs right now. I really want it, but I'm wearing a little dress and you should.
You should uncross your legs.
But also engage that core. 5, 4, 3. We're gonna take the palms to the back of the room in 2, in 1, and just a nice little pulse back. Keeping the shoulders down away from your ears.
And if you need a break, like I do, take it.
You're doing amazing. For 5, 4, 3, we're gonna goal post those arms in 2 and 1. Take them at a 90-degree angle, nice. Now, chest openers. This is one of my favorite moves. And I know we did another video too with these, but now that you can feel them with weights,
it feels drastically different.
Drastically different, right? And you can keep these at your desk anytime that you feel like you need just a few minutes of a little arm workout.
I walk 40 minutes to the office and I wear them on my wrists.
Wait, that's amazing.
Every day.
3, 2, we're gonna hold those forearms together in 1, prayer pulse it out, just like that. Now squeezing the palms, and if you can, squeezing the elbows together as well. The more pressure you put in between your arms, the more you're gonna feel it. We have 5.
Thank God this is covering my face.
3, 2, overhead press in 1. Gorgeous. I just realized that I have a spray tan and it's like coming off my armpits. And I'm woo, raising that roof. Woo! Yes. Woo! Woo!
Just normal stuff you do in the office.
Just absolutely normal.
Go Brenda.
Woo.
Go Brenda. It's your birthday.
Getting those papers on time, meeting those deadlines. Yes.
Katie keeps saying
papers and files. Like, babe, everything's digital.
Get those papers to your boss. It's like, babe, we all have computers.
What do you do for a living? Oh, he types away on his computer.
Oh, I just print things and pass them to my boss.
I use the Xerox machine every once in a while. We have 3.
Okay.
2, we last move in 1, both arms up. Don't look at my armpits, but tricep extension right here. Beautiful. Now working the back of your arm. Try to keep those palms together. Now, your triceps are gonna start to burn up, right?
Mine are burning up. I've gone nonverbal because I'm struggling.
Okay, 3, 2, and 1, relax. Oh my gosh, in just a few minutes, you guys can work your arms at the office and become a corporate baddie in no time.
Just like Katie.
Woo! Your boss will give you a raise. Okay, bye.
Bye.